In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to iPhone 11. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can natively use your DualSense controller on an iPhone 11. The process is going to be exactly the same for all iPhone models, and this is even going to work if you have a DualShock 4 instead of a DualSense. So all that you have to do to get this connection done is to connect it wirelessly. You can try using a wired connection, however, it is not recommended. It gives a lot of issues, and wireless is going to be the way to go if you want to use it natively. So all that you have to do to set it up is to go over to the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone and make sure that it is enabled. Once Bluetooth has been enabled, you will be good to go. With Bluetooth enabled, you now need to find it under the list of available devices. To put it into pairing mode, press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously. So press both of these buttons that I've highlighted here for a couple of seconds. Immediately upon holding these buttons down for a couple of seconds, you will be able to see this controller appear under the list of available devices. You might see this little light bar flash for a bit, and as soon as it does, you will be able to look over to your iPhone screen and find the DualSense controller listed here. Sadly, I cannot demonstrate this process in full, but as long as you find the controller here and you choose it from the list, either with the name DualSense or wireless controller, it is going to remain connected to your iPhone. With this done, you can now open any game that natively supports controller inputs, and all of them will be working. So you will be able to use the D-pad, the joysticks, and control everything available in the game using this DualSense controller. Like I mentioned, it is also going to work for the DualShock 4, and all that you have to do is connect it over Bluetooth. You don't have to repeat this every single time. As long as you connect it once, the connection will be automatic in the future when you power it on in close proximity of your iPhone 11. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to iPhone 11. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.